This is something that a lot of people look forward to getting in their shares, and it's something that you'll want to eat fairly quickly because it's really at its best pretty soon after it's been picked. If it comes in a bunch like this, the first thing you'll want to do is take the rubber bands off, because what these rubber bands do is they actually encourage just a little bit of cell damage on the asparagus stalks, and you want to minimize that, right? Because that's where any sort of asparagus going bad can happen. So once you've got your rubber bands off like that, I don't wash my asparagus before I put it in the refrigerator. I would wash it right before I eat it. But if you maybe have a smaller fridge, or if just storage is at a premium in general, you can go on and just snap off a little bit on the end right there if you know that you're going to eat it maybe that night or the next morning. If not, just go on and keep it intact. Put it in a plastic bag, but I wouldn't zip the plastic bag. So I like to use these quart bags, but you could certainly reuse any bag from the grocery store if you have cloth bags, whatever you've got in the house. And I'm just gonna go on, put that in there, keep it open. And I'm going to put it where I know I'm gonna see it, okay? And that's gonna be different for everybody else. Some people are perfectly comfortable with putting their vegetables in the crisper drawer and they'll know that they'll be in there and use them. For some people, you'll never see those vegetables again. So just think about what works for you in your refrigerator. So these are ready to go in the fridge.